I know Google Ads dashboard is so much confusing for beginners. It's just overwhelming. So before going ahead, I'll just get you a clarity. So basically a campaign in Google Ads is divided into three parts. First campaign, then ad group, and then ads. So you can edit all these three in a different way. A video which is already there on my channel. So I have shown how to edit a campaign in Google Ads. And now in this video, I'll show you how to edit your ad after it is launched. So let's jump to my computer screen and I'll show you how. As you can see, this is my dashboard, Google Ads dashboards, and I have two campaigns that are not running, that were test campaigns. I was just testing out my products in the market. Basically, you want to edit your ads. So what you need to do, for example, this is my campaign. So I'll click on it. Here I landed on the ad group page. So this is my ad group. I want to edit ad. Okay, and this is ad group. So ad comes after ad group. So this is a three-step process: campaign, ad group, and ad. So I want to edit my ad. So what I will do, I'll just click on ad group, and here you can see my ad. So you need not to click anything here. You have to just click on campaign, then ad group, and then you will be landed on the ad page. Here you can see the pencil button. So just click on it and you will see two options. So just click on edit, and here you have your ad. You can change your URL, you can change your call to action, your headline, and your long description, and everything you can change here. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.